Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This video will watch the best Panini Maker from over 3,476 customer reviews and brand iSiLER. Healthy grilling. Healthy Life iSiLER Panini Maker helps you to create authentic, great-tasting grilled food like never before. With this multifunctional maker, whether burgers, steaks, sandwiches, paninis, or vegetables are on the menu, you can easily savor a palatable meal every time. Non-stick coating. Coated with a non-stick, abrasion and scratch-resistant grilling surface, it's easy to clean and requires less oil or butter for healthy grilling. 3-in-1 versatility. Open up flat to 180 degrees and double the efficiency for the full grill. Open to 90 degrees to grill one side with fewer place requirements. Close it to make contact grill, saving you time and labor. 1200 watts high power output and smart thermostat control. Grills food fast and evenly without overheating based on your desired temperature setting, giving you satisfying meals. Healthier food with extra grease drained. Effortlessly drains extra grease and fat from food via the two special oil outlets, delivering healthier grilled cuisine. Simple operation. Set your desired cooking temperature with a simple rotating and wait 3 to 5 minutes to grill. Comfortable handle with handy switch. Conveniently unlock the upper housing at a simple push of the handle switch. Simple to store. The power cord can be stored tidily in the base and compact for fewer space requirements. Comfortable handle with handy switch. Conveniently unlock the upper housing at a simple push of the handle switch. Simple to store. The power cord can be stored tidily in the base and compact for fewer space requirements. If you have any questions, ask in the comment section. Also, if you like my video, please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching my video.